Today we shall learn how to find area of some closed figures. Let's begin. What is the term area means? Area measures the surface of a simple closed region. The units of area are the square of the units of length. Thus, area can be expressed in square units such as square centimeters, square meters and square kilometers. There are two methods to find the area. First one, counting unit squares. Second method, using formula. First, let's see how to find the area of a simple closed region by counting unit squares. When the region is divided into unit squares. Look at this square ABCD. It is divided into 25 equal squares of side 1 centimeter each. Thus, we say that area of square ABCD which is equal to 25 square centimeters. Square centimeters can also be written as SQ centimeter. Now let's find the area of the given figure. Look at this figure. Here each square is equal to 1 square centimeter and each half square is equal to half square centimeter. Thus on counted we get that the given figure has 14 squares and 2 half squares. Therefore the area of the given figure is equal to 14 plus half which is equal to 14 plus 1 which is equal to 15 square centimeter. Now let's see how to find the area using formula. Area of rectangle can be counted are using the formula A equal to L into B, where A is the area, L length, B breadth of the rectangle. Let's use this formula to find the area of rectangle. Find the area of rectangle PQR is having length L equal to 7 units and breadth B equal to 5 units. Therefore, by using this formula, area equal to length into breadth, we get the area equal to 35 square units. Now let's solve one more example to understand in better way. Find the area of a rectangle having length equal to 33 meter and breadth is equal to 10 meter. Therefore the answer area equal to length into breadth which is equal to 33 into 10 which is equal to 330 square meter. The formula to find the area of square. Area of square is different. Area equal to side into side. S is the length of this side. Let's find the area. Find the area of square WXYZ having side 13 units. Area equal to side into side which is equal to 169 square units. Now, let's solve one more example. Find the area of a square having side of length 9 cm. Area equal to side into side which is equal to 81 square centimeter. Remember the formulas. First one, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Second one, area of square is equal to side into side.